Speaker wa Parliament Anita Among avuddemu omwasi ku mbeera ya Dr. Kizza Besigye. Ono bw'abadde aggulawo olutuula lwa Parliament olwaleero atadde Minisita w'Amateeka ne Ssemateeka Nobert Mao ku nninga annyonnyola ensonga ekyasibisizza Besigye mu kkomera era n'emisango ono gy'avunaanibwa.
Have the legal advisers to government rendered appropriate advice on the continued pre-trial detention of unailing Dr. Besigye? What is the legal basis for the continued detention of Dr. Besigye in the cell? What instrument does Uganda Prison Service continue to hold Dr. Besigye? What steps have you taken to comply with the Supreme Court directive?
Mukwanukula Mao alaze nga Besigye bw'ali mu kwekalakasa mu kkomera nti era takyalya na mmere kati okumala ennaku 6.
Has been on hunger strike for 6 days. This is his 7th day. He is only taking water. He's not eating any food. Prisoners who feel that they are being unjustly incarcerated have resorted to hunger strike. But it is not my purpose to go into detail why he's on hunger strike. I simply reported his condition and we admit that it is alarming.
Hunger strike. He's not on hunger strike because he loves to be on hunger strike. He's on hunger strike because he believes he's unfairly treated. He's on unfair trial.
Mao embeera ya Besigye agitadde ku bannamateeka be nga bwe batafuddeeyo kyokka nga ano sipiika waasinzidde n'amubuuza bo kye bakozeewo.
We are concerned by the slow pace of Colonel Besigye's lawyers. I have stated the chronology. You cannot take 2 weeks. If really you are concerned about the condition of your client rather than the politics surrounding that, they should have acted as fast as Attorney General's chambers.
Speaker oluvannyuma atadde Minisita w'ensonga z'omunda mu ggwanga okubuulira Palamenti etteeka mwe basibira Besigye mu kiseera kino.
Under what instruments are you using to hold Dr. Kizza Besigye in prison?
Around effecting the court decision,
yes.
The doctor is still in custody according to the order that took him there.
Ababaka ba Palamenti nabo batabukidde ba Minisita ku mbeera ya Dr. Kizza Besigye.
We are here instead of the Minister of Justice coming here to tell us the law is supposed to do this and this is what we are doing, is standing the other side to defend what is undefendable, Madam Speaker. We expect the Minister of Justice to behave what the Parliament expects him to behave, much as you are appointed by the President. But if you are also coming here to behave like the chairman of the court martial, we are at pain. We are at pain, Honorable Minister. We are at pain.
Has government continued to hold on to these people? And those are questions we have not gotten any answers to, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, the excuse by the Honorable Chairman Mao does not hold any water at all. For you to say that the lawyers of Dr. Kizza Besigye have delayed to extract a decree.
Speaker alabye guli gutyo n'ayimiriza Palamenti okumala akabanga era n'alonda ababaka okuva ku njuyi zombi okugenda okubaako be bakkaanyaako era baminisita balabiddwako nga bafuluma okugenda okulaba okuwozesa kwa Besigye we kutuuse.
Suspend the house for 10 minutes and then we'll come and report.
Oluvannyuma Minisita Nobert Mao akomyewo ne Minisita omubeezi ow'ensonga z'omunda mu ggwanga David Muhoozi era Mao alaze nga Dr. Besigye bw'agenda okuleetebwa mu kkooti enkya okuwulira emisango egimuvunaanibwa.
Speaker, that by the time we reached the court, the lawyers of Colonel Kizza Besigye had actually been engaging with the judiciary. Not the lawyers I'm talking about, these are the better lawyers. And they had agreed to reschedule the matter, which had been fixed for Tuesday. It is now going to come tomorrow. And during that sitting tomorrow, the court will give the appropriate direction.
Bino we bibeereddewo nga n'ab'oludda oluvuganya gavumenti mu Palamenti bakedde kutuula okulaba kye bazzaako olw'okukandaaliriza okuwozesa kwa Besigye era Ssennyonyi atubuulidde ebituukiddwako.
Obukulembeze bw'ebibiina byaffe bwasazeewo nti gavumenti oba terina kyekozeewo ku nsonga zino mu ssaawa 48 wagenda kubeerawo ebikolebwawo ebyenjawulo. Nye naffe mu Parliament tugamba nti tulina naffe tulina okukola wano mu Parliament n'ebweru wa Parliament ate nga tulina kikola bunnambiro kubanga abantu bano pressure akazito ke bawulira kokka.
Kati ekyebuuzibwa obanga Dr. Besigye anaateebwa olunaku olw'enkya. Ssebugenyi Joseph yakusakidde eggulire lino ku Racket TV ya Malindirire.